This recently built 4-bedroom home in Carroll Schools is sure to impress. A very well thought out and spacious floor plan allows for a variety of ways to live in it. As you pull up, you'll notice the mature landscape as well as stoned columns and a stamped concrete front porch. Enter through the foyer and you're greeted with a multi-use room that could act as a playroom, den, office, formal dining room, or be closed off for a 5th bedroom in the future. The massive living room showcases a gas log fireplace flanked by windows that allow for plenty of daylight to fill the main floor. This room transitions seamlessly into the breakfast nook and kitchen. The kitchen has plenty of countertops and cabinetry as well as stainless steel appliances that all remain with the home. Plus, there's a walk-in pantry. A dedicated laundry room also exists on the main floor as well as a half bath. Upstairs, you'll find all 4 bedrooms, and the huge master bedroom features a tray ceiling with rope lighting and a master ensuite with dual vanities and walk-in closet. The other 3 bedrooms are adequate in size and share a full bath. Step outside onto the oversized back patio for a great place to relax. The Coves at Brooks Crossing is an excellent subdivision in a great location, close to many restaurants, bars, the YMCA, Parkview Regional Medical Center, Pufferbelly walking trail, and provides easy access to I-69. Be sure to call Evan Reiki before this one slips away.